Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Arlo House subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly managed and no further charges occur. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the official Arlo House website. Log in with your account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account or Membership from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the subscription or billing section where you can view details about your current plan and payment method. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Cancel Membership or Cancel Subscription and click on it to start the cancellation process. Step 5. The system may ask you to provide a reason for canceling. Select an option or skip if it's optional. Step 6. Follow all on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Note that your subscription may remain active until the end of the current billing period. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation message verifying that your subscription has been canceled. Keep this email for reference. Step 8. Log back into your account to confirm that your subscription status shows as canceled or inactive. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.